Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. We will discuss about BTC. What is the next year? What we see in the weekly, the last week. We just provide this one signals BIP members only. You can check it out here in Twitter. You can go here and check it out all the details. What we are posting like here. This is the last week we posted here. It's last. So this target is 64. If it's break out this level, it's going to a market can go upside 73 level. But right now we can see the market in 6600. This is a level here. We can retest from this level from downside. Exactly if I see here it's support level. This is actually here for retesting support level 57 level. And if you want to market retesting back from here 57 and then market can go upside. So exact we have a spatial support level here 57,000. If it's breakout downside this level, so we can retesting again downside is the 45 level. And but it's still you can see this is bullish flag here. I just reposted the last video here. You can see this is bullish flag, and when the retesting is 200 EMA in a day time frame, it was a 626,000 resting here, and again it pushed this breakout again to downside but didn't break out the proper 53 level. So right now we focus on a 6600. This is our level here, 6600 800. And if it's break out that level guys, this is completely market can break out the highest level here. This is the level here upside for 60 6200. If it retest backside, then we can go downside again. So one things we focus on here. Exactly, we just focus market can reach again downside and push back. For so we can wait. We can say from 6600 here. We can wait for here 6600 6800, and we can sell from here to here 67,000. And if it's breakout downside, so we can wait for downside 45,000. And if it's not break that's on level, so we can wait for upside 70 level, because it is possible to we can break it can break the highest level here. So this is the highest level here. You can see 63,800. This is the highest level here. So it try to break that level. So we focus on this level here 6600 level. So this is the biggest support level here 6600. Make sure make sure we have to focus here. So if you have a buying position, you can close some quantity here 6600 and 6400, and right now you can close also, because last week we posted this one area. We captured the bigger movement and retesting again downside, and then you can see this going market continuously upside, right? So this is the bigger move. One things what is common here, one things is the this is the bullish flag. You can see this is totally bullish flag. I have some logical point for our trade. I You can wait for a little bit downside if you want to buy, if you are late to buying, and then just wait for a 57 again, and 57 here, yeah, 58,000, 57 58,000. If you want to buy, you can wait here, right? This two area, and you can buy from this one. And if it's breakout downside this area 57, which one, this one, 57,000, if it's break out this one area, and then we can wait for here downside. I just zoom out this one, right? So we wait for this one to try to break. I think it's 45 46 46,000, but it still have a bullish market because it's try to break 60,000 level. It is downside. And when they break this EMA here, this is of course this is here like 60, right? You can see here this is 6600, and it will be market in upside from this trend line. So we have to wait for exactly which trend line to break here. And it is to possible, if I see here, I can make here one more trend line. This is exactly this trend line here. We can see the here to 64 65 level, and then market again downside. So one thing is common, 57. So is the 57 again, we have a support level, biggest support level. We have a two support level here. You can see here, this is the here, one is here 674 73,000 and 57,000. This is the support and resistance level. We focus on the right support and resistance. So we wait for a downside here, little bit 57,000, and we can buy from here until we can keep our positions for 73, and other one we 64 60. 5 level. So this is, of course, we have to close our trade. Who is buying right now, we have to close our trade here right now, and you can wait for a 60, 600, 6800, and we can wait for a pushback for a little bit, like 57, 58, the level here, and then you can buy again if I see some green candle here in 1 hour time frame. So we can wait for a long positions, right? So one time just you close your positions is the best important right now, because it's just right through at the retesting point here for our seller, and then we can see the market downside. I hope you like our video, guys. So this is our analysis. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. You can go with Telegram channel and Twitter. We share lots of signal here. There's lots of signal here for everyone. This is free, right? So you can go and check it out. This is, so this is for gold yesterday, this last week, and you can see we just captured this one move. This is oil. This is the bank nifty. This is bank nifty, and this is the gold also. You can go here and check it out. This is gold. We captured this moment here. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you like our videos, and we will make you next video for next uh, other week, yeah, after 2 3 days. Thank you, and see you in next video.